dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Solo yo sé de ese lunar, solo tú comes el pastel. Con estilo siempre te vas, pero te vienes con placer. Me dijiste no quiero nada, pero quieres todo, mujer. Baby, yo te hago soñar algo más rico que la miel, mi droga que te legalicen. No digamos el pecado, que hay cosas que no se dicen. Piel a piel tú y yo jugando, baby, ¿para qué te dices? Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso hacemos, baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad.
What's up guys, it's Tommy Gunn here from Adonis Dance Academy. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to do sexy shoulder rolls. So today I'm just going to focus on one thing, okay? A lot of the time, a lot of my dance moves I like to do from like a wide stance. You know, there's things I do such as hip pivot movements, there's like hip grinding movements I love doing thrust in movements, yeah. I also love getting low and then doing chest grinding like this. These are all very male stripper like dance moves, but I need to get in that low position. So I guess I could just jump into it, but one way I personally love to get into a low position is I like to shoulder roll and then slightly lower my body height, yeah. Every single time I do a shoulder roll. It's like increment. Slowly going down little bit by little bit. I do it maybe like 3 times, maybe 4, no more usually than 4 because it's just a bit too much after that point. But yeah, I like to do, you know, anywhere between 2 or 4 shoulder rolls to kind of lower myself down. I might go, you know, so just 2 and just lower myself kind of quickly, or I might take my time with it and I might kind of shoulder roll there, shoulder roll there, shoulder roll here, shoulder roll here, okay? And then sometimes you can throw in a double shoulder roll. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna teach you just one, but you can do one, and practice yourself. Let me know how it goes for you. Peace.
Eso hacemos, baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Aquí viviendo roce, estamos solitos, ellas son más de las 12. Pegándote bien lento, baby, para que tú goces. No somos algo serio, pero bien si me conoces. Yeah, yeah, tú eres el antojo de mi vida. De tanto que te pienso ya no encuentro la salida. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl, yeah. Tú mi droga que te legalicen. No digamos el pecado, que hay cosas que no se dicen. Piel a piel tú y yo.